Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I will show you how to fix call blocking and identification missing on iPhone and iPad after the updating of iOS. So without wasting any time, let's start the solutions. Solution number 1. Turn on Allow apps to request to track. To do this, first launch Settings. Under Settings, scroll down, find and tap on Privacy, and under Privacy, tap on Tracking. Here, turn on Allow apps to request to track. If it's turned off, then check call blocking and identification has been reappeared. Now we go for solution number 2. Solution number 2, check for software update. For that, first launch Settings and connect to Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection. Then tap General and tap Software Update and update your iPhone if update is available. Solution number 3. Delete and reinstall the app. First we have to uninstall the app which use call blocking and identification. Then restart your iPhone. Once done, reinstall the app. Now this option has been appeared. Solution number 4. Update or pending apps. For that, tap and hold App Store and tap on Updates. And check the list is there is updates are available. If there is, then tap on Update. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.